Flippers, give me a minute please. I just want to show you how it works. This is a shadow primer. I just get it today and see how it works. It's really nice, beautiful, and smell good. So next we spread this one. Look at that, it's a pinkish. And I swear it's really smell good, guys. So if you want to try this, if you're interested with this product, just add cart. It's really nice and beautiful. You didn't need foundation at all. This is just a primer, shadow primer. Okay guys, I think I'm done. So it's really nice and beautiful. Look at that. It didn't need, I think it's okay without foundation. So if you are curious what I'm using for my face, it's the shadow primer. Add cart below if you want to try this product. Thank you.